donuts in a rice cooker? Is that even possible? To find out, keep watching Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pang. This recipe is online as an air fryer donut recipe. So I wonder, would it work in a rice cooker? So that's what we're going to find out today. Plus, this is my first time ever making donuts from scratch. Set the yeast mixture aside for 10 minutes while we mix the dough. Mix all the dry ingredients together and then make a well in the middle. Now add the wet ingredients. Now if you do have a stand mixer with bread dough attachment, you can mix this for about 5 minutes on low speed. Since I don't have one, I'm going to knead this by hand. And pour in the yeast mixture. Make sure you scrape off every single bit of yeast in here. Then mix it until a dough is formed. And by the way, the full recipe and baking instruction is in the description box below as well. I will knead this dough by hands, so dust on additional flour as needed to prevent it from sticking. And if you're brand new to baking in your rice cooker, do watch to the end for important tips on how to bake in your rice cooker. You want to knead this until the dough is no longer sticky, and that's about 6 to 8 minutes or so. Now place the dough in an oil bowl, then cover it tightly. Place it in a warm area to proof for about 60 minutes. It should have double in size. Deflate the dough. And flatten it into a circular shape. You can use your hands or a rolling pin. Flatten it to about 1/2 inch or maybe 1.5 centimeter. And I don't have a donut cutter, so I'm going to use this drinking cup. It's the perfect size. And the cap on this bottle of honey is perfect for the donut hole. And lessons learned, cut one donut at a time and remove it, otherwise it will stick together again. Place the cut donut into a lined rice cooker and leave enough space for them to grow. Then cover it. I am using 2 different rice cookers here. And we're going to let it proof for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the shapes are not that pretty, but I think they'll be fine. Lightly spray or lightly brush some oil on top and cover it with a paper towel. And now let's bake. Now I did bake mine for 30 minutes for this video, but I suggest only baking it for 20 minutes, and you'll see why. While our donuts are baking, let's make the glaze. After the first bake, they do feel firm to the touch and the bottoms are pretty dark. That's why I suggest starting at 20 minutes. Optionally, you can brown the other side. I just flip them over and turn on the rice cooker. And once it goes into warm, then I just unplug the rice cooker. But do not cover the rice cooker. Now you should glaze your donuts while they're still hot. This will give this glossy look to it. Cool it for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the first bite, it's a bit dry. Now this could be my fault. Maybe I did something wrong with the dough. Maybe I baked it too long. Or it could be normal for a non-deep fried donut. If you made donuts in the past, comment below and let me know if I did something wrong. Now for the air fryer. You do want to preheat your air fryer for about 5 minutes. And then lightly spray or lightly brush some oil in your basket. Allow spacing around your donuts for it to bake properly. Lightly spray or lightly brush some oil on top, and we'll bake it for... Another lessons learned, make sure your temperature is set correctly, and you'll see why. And we'll bake it for 4 minutes. Ah! It's too dark! What happened? Well, I had a brain fart. My air fryer was set to 190 Celsius instead of 170 Celsius. Dough! They still look fine, but again, overbaked. I'm going to lightly oil these donuts because I'm going to just dip them in sugar. They look beautiful, aren't they? And they do feel a bit dry as well. Again, I'm not sure if it's my fault or if this is normal for a non-deep fried donut. So what do you think? Are you going to try it? More delicious recipes are linked below, so make sure you click on them and watch more videos. And I do have all my social media links at the bottom of the description box to make it easier for you to connect with me on whatever platform you use.